Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a Japanese stylings, the Takoyaki makers. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's length is about like a 17 and 1/4 inches. And the depth of the units, they are about like a 17.5 inches. And the overall height, they are about like a 7 inches tall. So we can take a look closer to see the details of the unit. So when we're looking closer, they do have two switches for the temperature adjusters. Maximum they can heat in about like a 300 degrees and have an indicator lights for each side, and in the center is power lights. And also this cooking area is about like a 13 inches wide and 16 inches long. And for this pan, each side have about like a 28, so total will be 56 holes on there. And they also have a small tree on the side. You can clean all the dust. You put right here, a brush on the side. And when we remove the top, we can see they have an individual, the two split, the heating element zones. So they having the plugs on the both sides using the standard 110 plugs. And this cooking area, you can simply to clean it with any waters. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.